I'm here with Diana Eng, who is a fashion designer and was also on season 2 of Project Runway, so you might recognize her. Thanks for speaking with us today, Diana.
Thanks for having me.
What was your first love, fashion or technology?
You know, I think my first love was actually technology. I learned how to program with my dad when I was 8.
How does technology and engineering affect fashion?
Well, fashion and technology and engineering are not really strangers at all. An example is nylon stockings were a really huge revolution for the fashion industry. They actually had crazes behind them, like, you know, people had for the Wii or the iPhone, where people would be lined up around the block waiting to get the stockings when they came out.
You're wearing something that is lighting up when we're speaking. Can you explain what this is? And it's one of your designs, right?
Yes, so this is one of the designs. It was in my fashion show, and it basically reacts to sound and makes these LEDs light up in reaction to the sound. And the LEDs are sewn onto it with conductive thread. A lot of outfits now have these Swarovski crystals on them or lots of sequins embroidered on them, so I thought, why not go the extra mile and have it sparkle?
What other technologies have you used in your designs?
Well, another technology I've been working with is deployable structures, and there are all different sorts of pleated deployable structures that I learned about in the mechanical engineering department at the University of Bath. And I believe this same structure is actually used in some satellites in their solar panels. So when the satellite's launched up, it can be really small, and then the solar panel opens up and gets big and captures a lot of sunlight. This one is in a spiral shape, so it's also found in flowers. And
that reminds me of Morning Glories.
And then this is just kind of a bigger sort of pleated structure.
Are these difficult to make on your own?
This is made with the assistance of a laser cutter. I've been looking at using these in my scarf collection.
You mentioned that you wrote a book after your experience at Project Runway. What is it exactly?
Well, it's basically a book for people who want to learn how to create their own fashion technology. It's called Fashion Geek, and it has a collection of different accessories and clothing that you can make yourself. So one of my favorite ones is the headphone hoodie. This is the project from Fashion Geek. So you basically plug in your iPod or MP3 player in the pocket. So this is one of my other favorite ones. It's the felt flower flash drive, and it's basically just a USB flash drive, but made into a necklace.
If people would like to learn more about you, they can go to dianaeng.com. I'm Ellie Roundtree, and this has been Rock-A-Boom Tech.